throw it outside. Throw. Throw. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not what I got it for, but that's fine.
Flat the car.
I don't think they're going to come, are they? Do you want some bread?
Yeah.
No, don't throw it all out.
Okay. Just bread to eat. Just
I'm being very daring wearing my new white shoes for my mum for my birthday in the rain. But they're comfortable. You've got your new shoes on as well, haven't you? I love your boots. I get a cat.
I do.
Or is that a seagull?
I wish they had the little cherries with.
Oh yeah, that'd be cute.
Yeah, because people
that'd be cute.
It's like them, but it's like pink and white and black and white.
Yeah.
Have you got the thing?
Yes. So good morning if we haven't said good morning.
Good morning!
Good morning, good morning.
Vlog of the day!
Today's plan, we are going to Tesco's currently to get some lunch,
Yes.
to get some petrol.
Yes.
Then we are travelling to Hamilton to see my family.
Yes.
And I don't think we'll vlog any if
We'll see
much
what.
of that.
Yeah, I don't think we will.
I might get a clip of Ruby in the hot tub if she goes in there, or
Yeah.
just something little, nothing of the family themselves. And then depending on what time we're there till, we'll probably see you after a couple of clips of that. We'll probably see you after we've been there
Yeah.
today, so there's not going to be too much filming today, but hopefully we can still make a vlog of it.
Yeah, hopefully.
But yeah, to Tesco.
To Tesco it is!
15 minutes later.
Ruby, don't eat like that. Jesus.
The amount of times we say that a day is unreal.
I think Lola wants us to Christmas now. I think Sarah.
Tough.
No.
We're just having some lunch before we head off, because we're 11:45, we'll need to head off about 12. So I've just got a barbecue chicken wrap.
Chicken Caesar.
Ruby's got some crisps at the minute. No. Mm-mm.
And then we're going to just quickly, slowly drive up.
Try them.
So yeah, we're just going to quickly just have something to eat and then we'll slowly drive up to see your family.
Mm-hmm.
3 hours later.
Quick little update. We've just been to my auntie and uncle's house, and we've been there for no longer. It's 5 o'clock. About 4 or 5 hours. And they have decided to come back to Ayr with us to go to the arcades and have a little bit of fun with my cousin and Ruby and Lorcan. So we're currently just driving back to Ayr now so that we can carry on with the rest of the day, but we're all really hungry.
Yeah, we're starving.
So we're just currently eating Snickers and Monster Munch in the car whilst we're driving home, but we are going to have to get some dinner at some point. I don't know what they're going to do because they haven't eaten either, so we might end up doing something with them, but we'll keep you updated. But if we don't get a lot of footage in today's vlog, we apologise, but we don't want to put family on screen when they don't.
Yeah.
They haven't given permission, basically. So if this is a short vlog, we apologise, but hopefully the rest of it make up for it. I'm currently in a little bit of a race with my auntie and uncle in the car. Every time one of us pulls into there, the other one overtakes. We just keep walking past, driving past each other, and we're like, in the side of the car. Oh, it's funny.
There we go. Let me through.
Pulled in. Yeah. He's loving it. Give a shoot to it. I know.
Yeah.
Probably can't. We've just come to the beach with my auntie and uncle and my cousin. Logan's currently splashing in puddles. I'm about to get my new white canvas shoes for my birthday, completely and utterly filthy. And Jonathan's phone's completely broken now.
Yeah, so I don't know if you can see it. So that's the damage, but the screen nearly went. The screen doesn't work anymore, nothing works, and yeah.
Oh, right.
So that's the update.
Yeah, but we're currently at the beach. It looks beautiful tonight. I do want to get a sunset thingy my Bobby.
Yeah, I'll have to wait for a while. I don't even know what the lens is. Is it recorded?
Yeah.
So it's been a busy day. It's currently 20 to 11.
I don't think we've filmed a lot of the day because we're with the family all day.
Yeah.
And I'm currently talking to you with my eyes closed because we've had to put the flash on because it's really dark.
Yeah.
But this is the end of day
4 or 5. You've got
Tuesday.
chocolate on your face.
Oh,
There you go.
thank you. It's the end of day Tuesday. We'll see you on day Wednesday.
See you on day Wednesday.
Bye.